Hello students. With the greetings of the day, I welcomes you all in the online classes. Students, this is our new chapter of civics, chapter 2nd, constitutional design. Students, in this chapter, we will discuss how a constitution is made for a democratic nation. In first chapter, we discuss that in a democracy, the rulers are not too free to do what they like. They have to follow a certain rules and regulations, and the rulers together follows these rules and regulation is known as the constitution that you had studied in chapter 1 of your previous classes in class 8. In a constitution, it describes the rights of a citizen, powers of the government, as well as how the government should function. So in this chapter, we will discuss some basic questions related to the design of a constitution for a democratic nation, why we need a constitution, and how are the constitution drawn up. We also discuss who designs them and what way they design it, and what are the constitution values that shape a constitution and a democratic state. We will discuss the values, as well as we also discuss what is the necessary changes that a nation require with the time to change its constitution. So all the questions we will discuss in this chapter, but this chapter is begin with the constitutional history of South Africa. So let's discuss what had happened in South Africa and what are the basis of their constitutional designs. Students, please look at this picture. He is Nelson Mandela. In 1993, he shared the Nobel Peace Prize with F.W. de Klerk. Actually, in 1994, he also became the first president of South Africa to be elected by a democratic system, and he also the first black president for South Africa. So there is a formal introduction about Nelson Mandela. Now we will discuss democratic constitution in South Africa. The Nelson Mandela being tried for treason by the white South African government. Student, treason means Rajdrah in Hindi. If somebody do anything which is against the nation, then it is known as treason, the criminal act of causing harm to your country. So this is treason. So by the means of treason, African government imprisoned Nelson Mandela in 1964 for daring to oppose the apartheid regime in this country, and he spent the next 28 years in South Africa's most dreaded prison in the Robben Island. Students, first we discuss what is apartheid. Students, apartheid, it is a formal official government policy in South Africa of separating people of different races and make them to live apart. So apartheid means racial discrimination between the whites as well as the blacks. So Nelson Mandela opposed this apartheid system, and due to this he imprisoned for treason, because apartheid policies applied by the white community to the black ones, and Nelson Mandela opposed this apartheid, and due to this he imprisoned for 28 years. And his continuous struggled against this apartheid system. Students, here you can able to see a notice, and this notice expressing the discrimination of the blacks with whites. In this notice, in Hindi, डरबन समुद्र तट कानून की धारा 37 के तहत इस तट पर नहाने का अधिकार सिर्फ श्वेत नस्ल के लोगों का ही है. So this is type of racial discrimination have to be faced by the black ones in South Africa. As well as there are other things as well, like apartheid system particularly oppressive for the blacks. They are forbidden from living in the white areas. It means that in the colonies of whites, blacks are forbidden to live. Next, they could not work in white areas only if they had a permit for it. Trains, buses, taxis, hotels, hospitals, schools, colleges, libraries, cinema halls, theaters, beaches, and swimming pools all are discriminated on the basis of the races. So, this was the main problem in South Africa. The problem is the system of apartheid. And Nelson Mandela opposed this apartheid system, and due to this, he got a punishment for the treason with the country, and he imprisoned for the 28 years. Students, he fight against it for couple of decades, and after at the end it becomes a fruitful result for South Africa, especially for the black peoples. Apartheid system is continuously been Africa, but the African National Congress ANC was an umbrella organization that led the struggles against the policies of segregation. And at the end, Nelson Mandela released from jail after having a 28 years of imprisonment. And at the midnight of 26th April 1994, democracy was adopted as a form of government in South Africa, and after 2 years a constitutional arrangement came out which gives to its citizens, and it also provides different types of democratic rights for the citizens of the South Africa, and they also banned the system of apartheid in the country. So students, you will read all these points which I have discussed you. And the next class we will discuss why a country need a constitution. And your assignment is, this is your assignment, that make a poster on the life and struggle of Nelson Mandela. And this is the autobiography, The Long Walk to Freedom. And if you can able to find out some interesting stories or some interesting points regarding this autobiography of Nelson Mandela, then you have to paste in your WhatsApp group. If you cannot able to find, then please find out the famous sayings of Nelson Mandela. Thanks, students.